CCTV Lone Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors Halatko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish Ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jongpi
Kum shibenta ka jing rakhi ya ka jing dap hanyo pu san snem jong ka jing yo lai loi kari India ba ka jing dap san post nem jong ka jilla Meghalaya ka office jong district sports officer ka South West Khasi Hills district ka la penlong ya ka 8th South West Khasi Hills district level inter school athletic meet arajar arpu ar ka balai sngi kanthi ka bala sedang nado ka sngi balang ka khat waiterik ubnai jemang arajar arpu ar bat ya ka ba an sapenkut pat hado ka khat lai tarik ubnai jemang Arhajar arpuat. Hagani galumpung yele kai bala penlong hamadan site snan bat balai shimbenta de ki khandai tli ki school ki badan hapo ka jilli jong ka South West Khasi Hills district la Plie perda de deputy commissioner jong ka South West Khasi Hills district ka kong karamai khar kongor ka bala longkum ka kongsan Hagani ka sngi la sakhilang da block development officer jong ka Maukarwat community and rural development block uba Isa Gaha Laurinyang district sports officer uba Damang Singkon additional deputy commissioner uba WBM bat kiwei.
So my dear students, you feel sports not just an extracurricular activity, but if you take things seriously, this can also advance in you as you go on in life. Like what we have just heard from our ESO, that in the inter-district that has just recently concluded in Shillong, the Southwest Khasi Hills has performed very well, gaining a lot of medals and laurels. So this is a moment of pride. It also shows that people of Southwest Khasi Hills they can excel in sports given the right temperament, the right coaching, profession, and the discipline. It is very encouraging to have these inter-school activities because they not only encourage competition, in this young age, nothing comes without competition. You are realizing it now that in class you need to compete, in any team you need to compete to get to your goals. Therefore, please view this event as a learning ground to compete. But competition should also be healthy. It should not demoralize you, because more importantly in such events is the spirit of participation. And that spirit of participation is a very, very rewarding experience. So it is all a learning process, because the learning process starts from the cradle, it ends with the grave. So we keep learning, we keep making mistakes, and we learn from these mistakes, and that is how we go on in life. So in conclusion, I would just like to say that underlying all these things, please know as students, you need to concentrate also on your education, because a certain level of literacy is required. In today's age, you need to be a literate citizen of the world. You need to become a literate citizen of the country, of the state, so that you can meaningfully contribute to the society. And as we know that students are our future. So we depend on you very much. You live your life, you enjoy yourselves, but remember that you should always keep in the right track. So with these few very words, I wish all of you, all the participating schools, very best wishes for this 8th inter-school academic.